So good evening everyone. This is ninth lecture of Introduction to Physics. In last lecture I have asked you this question. So I am directly using the concept N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2. So here I have to convert it into CGS unit. So N1 is given guys 25 into 10 raised to power minus 2 U1. Young's modulus of elasticity. As you know that dimension of Young's modulus of elasticity is force per unit area M L T minus 2 upon L2. So I can write M L minus 1 T minus 2. So it is M means 1 kg, then L inverse 1 meter to the power minus 1 and 1 second to the power minus 2 equals to N2, and I can write as 1 gram, 1 centimeter inverse and 1 second to the power minus 2. This will cancels from this one. So N2 becomes 25 into 10 to power minus 2. This is 1000 gram by 1 gram, and this is 100 centimeter by 1 centimeter, but that is inverse. So if you just calculate, this is 25 into 10 raised to power minus 2 into 1000 into 1 by 100 guys, because this is 100 inverse is 1 by 100. So I'm cancelling this term. So this will be 25 into 10 raised to power minus 1. This is a CGS unit, means dyne per centimeter square. So I have asked this question. So the right answer of this question is 25 into 10 to power minus 1. Next question I have taken guys, dimension of coefficient of viscosity eta. Coefficient of viscosity I can write here is eta. Dimension of coefficient of viscosity is given ml minus 1 t minus 1. You have to find out how many poise, which is CGS unit, is equal to 1 poiseuille. Poiseuille is the SI unit of these things, and many student has confusion how many poiseuille is 1 poise. 1 poise is how many, 1 poiseuille is how many poise. This you have to calculate. So guys, I can write N1 U1. U1 I am writing in terms of unit 1 kg, 1 meter to the power minus 1, because I am using this dimension guys. This dimension I am using MLT minus 1. So 1 meter inverse and 1 second to the power minus 1 is equal to, I don't know, let it be N2. N2 into 1 gram, 1 centimeter inverse and 1 second to the power minus 1. Now guys, this cancels to this. N1 is given 1 poiseuille. This is 1000 by 100, 1000 by 1 gram. I have written 1000 gram by 1 gram, and then 1 means 100 centimeter by 1 centimeter, but that is inverse, and second I have cancelled out, is equal to N2. So N2 can be written as this, cancels this. So 100 will come in denominator. So 10 poise. 1 poiseuille is given as 10 poise. So what happens guys, usually in examination they have given 120 poise, and student usually take the unit poise as SI unit and do mistakes. You should not do the same mistake, because poise is CGS unit. You have to divide that by 10 to convert it into SI. So if you find in your questions 120 poise, so eta value, coefficient of viscosity, you can write 12 poiseuille, because this is actually CGS unit poise. So this you have to convert into poiseuille guys. Okay, so don't do this mistake. That's why I have taken this question. Now a calorie is a unit of heat, and it is equal to 4.2 joule, approximately equal to 4.2 joule, you can say that, otherwise 4.18 something like that, but actually this is given 4.2 joule. This is a question of JEE Mains. 1 joule is given as 1 kg meter square second into the power minus 2. This is the dimension of these things. Now guys, I have to convert. Suppose the system, we employ a system of units in which unit of mass is alpha, beta is length unit, and gamma is seconds unit. So guys, 1 calorie you have to convert. So 1 calorie, I am just writing 1 calorie is equal to 4.2 joule na? So I have to convert this 4.2 joule into another unit. So into how many these things in terms of alpha, beta and gamma, I have to prove these things. So 4.2 unit of calorie, it is ml2t minus ml. I can write ml2t minus 2. So I can write this is as 1 kg, 1 meter to the power minus 2 and 1 second to the power minus 2 is equal to, I don't know N2, but this is alpha kg, beta meter to the power 2 and gamma second to the power minus 2. So N2 I have to calculate. N2 I can write guys 4.2. This is nothing but 1 kg by alpha kg, 1 meter by beta meter to the power minus 2 and 1 second by gamma second to the power minus 2 guys. Okay, so actually I have to prove it. 4.2, this will be alpha inverse, and that is guys, actually you should write this as beta, sorry, this is ml2 na, this is ml2, so this you have to write this is plus, this is not minus, this is plus guys. Okay, so I can write this is beta to the power minus 2 when it is go up, and this is gamma to the power when it is go up, it will be 2, because guys 1 by beta is can be written as beta to the power minus 1, and suppose if it is written 1 by beta to the power 2, this can be written as beta to the power minus 1 whole square, that is beta to the power minus 2. Okay, that's why I have written like this. So these things we have to keep in mind. So N2 value which we have to prove that the in second system of unit, this 1 calorie is can be expressed as 4.2 alpha inverse beta to the power minus 2 gamma to the power 2. This is the things which we have to keep in mind guys. Okay, so today we are going to stop this lecture here only. In next class we will see the second application.